Today our topic is structure of animal. Now what is the meaning of structure? The arrangement or the part of organ system or any object arranged in proper way is called structure. Let us discuss about the structure of animal. Animal body can be divided into two regions. Number one is head and number two is trunk. Head is the region which is an interior part of the body. It contains brain, mouth and sensory organ. The sensory organ help the animal to detect the change in its surrounding. For example, the change of an environment position or weather position or the detection of danger from another animal. While the trunk is the second region of the animal body, it is the posterior part of the body and it contains all important organs include limbs. By the help of limbs, animal can move from one place to another place. So let us discuss about the second topic, which is skeleton. As we know, skeleton is the heart structure which gives shape and support to the body of an animal or human being is called skeleton. The function of a skeleton to give the shape and support of the body or to the body, the skeleton protect the internal organ and reduce the risk of injury. The skeleton allow movement of the body. But not all animal body contain hard skeleton. For example, jellyfish, caterpillar, worms, they do not have a hard skeleton. Their body cells are supported by the water. So let us discuss about the type of skeleton. There are three types of skeleton. Number one is hydrostatic skeleton, number two is exoskeleton and number three is endoskeleton. Hydrostatic skeleton. But before we start the hydrostatic skeleton, as I was told you, not all animal body contain hard skeleton. Some animals have soft bodies. So hydrostatic skeleton is found in soft bodies animal. Likewise worm and their body do not contain hard skeleton. Their body is supported by a liquid which is present in the cell. The second type of skeleton is exoskeleton. But before we start the exoskeleton, we should know about vertebrate and invertebrate. Vertebrate are those animals which having backbone and invertebrate are those animals which do not having backbone. Exoskeleton is mostly found in invertebrate animal. In exoskeleton, animal body like insect are covered by a tough covering which name is cuticle and it's chemically composed with chitin. Chitin is a waterproof material. The cuticle is composed of plates and hollow tubes which not only protect the animal body but also give the support and shape to the body. Insects move from one place to another place by the help of muscles which are attached to the inside of the exoskeleton. As you saw, different type of insects or invertebrate in different color. Whenever you thought why they having a different color, because exoskeleton help the animal to hide from the predators. Now what is predator? An animal that lives or rely on other animals by killing or eating. Exoskeleton animal do not grow with the body, but the cuticle, which is the hard covering, is shed and new one is grow. This process is called molting. Now what is molting? The shedding of the cuticle and form new one is called molting. Now discuss the third type of skeleton, which is endoskeleton. Endoskeleton is found in all vertebrate animal. The vertebrate animal are supported by endoskeleton. The endoskeleton is the hard skeleton. Endoskeleton is made up of bones and you saw that there are different shape and size of bone are present in our body or in animal body. Endoskeleton support by the body and give it shape. Endoskeleton also protect the internal organ of the body in case of any injury. Thank you.